Hence the name hot chocolate.
Here we
It's
go.
actually inspired by the spiciness of the chocolate, not the temperature which you drink hot chocolate.
Ooh.
Okay?
That's some chocolate.
Also gave some drinking each other.
All the goodies. All the goodies. All the goodies. Delicious goodies. Delicious goodies.
But they're only open for one day. Actually, you can see it over here. See about halfway up, you see a little white flower hanging off? Come this way a little bit. Yeah. About halfway
Oh
up.
yeah, oh that tiny little thing.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that'll open, and then it's only good for one day. It only blooms for one day fully, and that's when it can get pollinated. But we don't have any bugs in there to pollinate it.
Yeah.
But that tree was actually covered in them the other day.
Really?
Yeah, it was really cool.
Looks like little insects probably all
Yeah,
over
you
it.
got some bug in there.
It's probably moth.
Eating the leaves.
So are these plants showing each of the varieties of chocolate you have? Or?
No.
No.
No, these are just showing what it looks like, the trees actually look like in real life. These are actually stunted a little bit. We've reduced the amount of soil. That way they don't get too big. But that one that actually gets the most sunlight to it is the biggest one.
Yeah.
I love how that happens.
Just like if you plant something on a balcony or something, the one closest to water, sunlight will just bloom.
Yeah.
In case you want to watch one of the best TV examples of chocolate, Ethel and Lucy. Oh boy. There we go. There it is.
Teamwork. Oh, nailed it. Very good.
Nini, say goodbye.